Hi guys, welcome back to my page. Please like, share, and subscribe for more Choro videos, 164 tune cars, and other car toy brand. So anyway guys, I have another additional in my train collection of Choro. I bought this on a thrift shop again guys. It's not a brand new and without box and it has a broken parts. I will show you later guys, but this one is a Oigawa Railway Ikawa line. So technically guys, it's a electric locomotive, and this particular train guys is model ED90 type. Okay, ED90 type. So I already researched it on the Google guys. The ED90 based on the Google guys, it's a ABT system electric locomotive built in 1989 by Hitachi Ltd. So the trains can run between ABT Choro station and Nagashima Dam station. Okay, so that's what I found on the Google guys, because I never been in Japan. So this particular electric locomotive train guys is from Japan, and maybe Japanese government use this one guys, but so I already researched the Google. So anyway, let's see. As you can see guys, still in very good condition. A little bit scratch, but it looks brand new guys. Okay, it says ED90 1. Okay, it has a 5 spokes chrome wheels because it's a pullback, and it's not a although this is a locomotive guys, and locomotive wheels guys cannot play in flat surface guys, only in railings. So anyway, Choro released this in 2003 guys. So speaking of the loose parts or missing parts, as you can see guys, the step, it has a handle. As you can see, it has one in here. It's missing, so I already cut the edge to be smooth guys, and looks good as you can see. And then at the back guys also has a handle, but it's also missing, and it has a damage, so I cut it off also. Overall guys, the condition of this, I think maybe 9 for me, because it looks super brand new even though it has a damage, as you can see in the color guys. And this one has no signs that it has been played guys. Okay, so anyway, this is again a standard size Choro for the train or for the locomotive guys. And again, it's a Oigawa Railway Ikawa line electric locomotive train, model ED90-1 type. Okay guys, that's it. Hope you like my video. Thank you very much. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.